बराह रास्त लिए चलेंगे आपको। इस वक्त सेक्रेटरी जनरल दौलत मुश्तरका पेट्रिशिया स्कॉटलैंड तकरीब से खिताब कर रही हैं।
Fast changing world. The Commonwealth is committed to supporting young entrepreneurs and innovators in every single sphere and fostering a regulatory framework that supports entrepreneurship. It also means celebrating successes and learning from failures, as both are integral parts of the innovation journey. We will not be able to innovate unless we experiment. And I was brought up to believe that there was no such thing and no disgrace in failure. The only disgrace is in not having tried. And innovation needs us to try and try again. And each time we fail, it's another step towards our eventual success. So I wholeheartedly celebrate your success today, recognizing the hard work, the perseverance that has brought you to this stage. I know some of you may have thought you would never get here, that it wouldn't be possible, or might have been told it was not possible. But look where you are today, and we celebrate each and every one of you. But I have to tell you, this is just the beginning. It's not the end. For those who have obtained this award for the first time, it will not be the last time. For those of you who have been celebrated already, this is another star in your firmament, but it won't be the last. It will be just another. So I'm sure each of you will find today a memorable story, and you will remember all the obstacles you overcame and the opportunities you seized on your journey to this point. You will be an exemplar for those who will follow you. And I would like to say to each of you a heartfelt thank you. Thank you for daring. Thank you for daring to think big. Thank you for pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and taking on this worthy challenge. As the global landscape rapidly changes, it will serve you well to embrace change, stay curious, and continue on the path of innovation in order to sustain your success in the long run. We know that the world is changing technically. It is likely that 15.7 trillion dollars are going to be added to the global economy by AI. But I believe that you will be the drivers of that 15.7 trillion, and I congratulate you in advance. I believe in you. The Commonwealth stands ready to walk every step of the way with you. And I ask God to bless you, to make his face shine upon you, and to walk with you so that you will deliver everything that he has set into your hands to give to your country, Pakistan. If Pakistan rises, it will be because you have worked for her. And on behalf of 2.7 billion people of our Commonwealth, I thank you.
सेक्रेटरी जनरल दौलत मुश्तरका पेट्रिशिया स्कॉटलैंड तकरीब से खिताब कर रही थीं। उन्होंने कहा कि वज़ीर आज़म यूथ प्रोग्राम नौजवानों को हुनरमंद बनाने में कलीदी किरदार अदा कर रहा है। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ की क़यादत में पाकिस्तान तरक्की कर रहा है। मज़ीद कहा, पाकिस्तानी नौजवानों की सलाहियतों की मोतरिफ हूँ। दौलत मुश्तरका के नौजवानों को बाइख्तियार बनाने के लिए भरपूर किरदार अदा करेगी। न्यूज़ स्टूडियो से फिल वक्त इतना ही। आप देखते रहिए 5 न्यूज़।